Well, happy holidays, and today we want to show you how to remove that cranberry sauce from the carpet. As you can see, we had a nice deep spill of cranberry. It looks like somebody dropped the whole dish on the carpet. So what we're going to start with is our spoon and a microfiber rag, and we're going to scrape it across. As I've said in other videos, and that you can use paper towels if that's what you prefer, and that way you can dispose it. But what you're trying to do is get as much of the juice, and in this case the berries, off of the carpet. The second thing we're going to do now is take our hydrogen peroxide solution, and we're going to spray that right onto the red stained area. Nice thing about cranberries is that it's nice and bright, so it's not hard to find the damage. And we're going to use again a microfiber towel to agitate that. We can also use the backing of our spoon to make sure that we get hydrogen peroxide deep into the fiber. And then we're blotting it across, trying to transfer as much of that stain to our microfiber towel. Sometimes you have to use a second application. It doesn't have to be perfect, because much of what the hydrogen peroxide is doing is fighting not only the staining element, but it begins to free it and suspend it from the carpet fibers. So now that we've got that off, we're going to go to our detergent solution and spray the same area. Using the back of the spoon, we're going to agitate it. And what the detergent solution does is it actually suspends not only the stain from the cranberry and cranberry juice, but it also suspends the hydrogen peroxide. And then what we're doing is we're blotting that stain across to the microfiber towel. In some cases I'll use the tip of the spoon to scrape up as much of the detergent and the stain as possible, so I can wipe off the excess moisture. That helps not only remove the stain, but it speeds up the drying. And then last but not least, we're going to use vinegar and water solution. And the vinegar and water is going to again help us suspend the detergent that we used, as well as the hydrogen peroxide. And you can see I'm working that down into the carpet by using the handle of the spoon. And we're blotting that across, neutralizing everything. It's time for a fresh towel or rag. And there we have it. We have the full removal of the cranberry sauce. So don't forget that sometimes a stain is so difficult that it requires repeating the process a couple of times in order to get the full stain out. Just be patient with it, do the sequence of steps that we have suggested to you, and you will be successful.